Yes, so my people for all around the area and the corner and the world, even for Nigeria, my people go, I greet in a good morning. Meanwhile, this morning, I just want to let you know, say, as on I don't know now, on the only #1 usual Papa Jojo, on top channel 105 Wazobia TV. Now, they take now another different segment this morning. But as on I go see, because I don't want to waste on the time at all. And I go down see the order of my guests where they join me this morning, where it may be Israel. So already, wait to be the next one we'll get for this morning. For another better time when they get this morning. I just want to let you know, say, now fitness program on top floor workout aerobics season 12. Now you they give now this morning, and you will not say you there, you just want waiting. You want to feel the impact of this special movement. Then just do waiting. Enter your house, change to your outfit, and maybe they carry go. We will not go waste time at all with your count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't tell you my people where they there. Just as my guests they count on where you no go stop at all. I want to let you know that this morning we don't want to waste on our time at all. Now straight away we go with the count and no wasting of time. 1, 2, 3. Balance up your leg for the back side. Yes. 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever the purpose of this one, as my guests they count on, you need to feel the great impact of the stretch, right from the back thighs muscle to the calf muscle. You will feel every tightness wait all around the muscular shape of your back thighs and the calf muscle, because even before you can take up your fitness level this morning, you don't feel some tightness all around, and the time when you sleep you don't get too tired, and the time when you go wake up this morning you don't feel weak. So for you to feel meet up the demand to make it up, then try to stretch like that. 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. See this one we will take on. This one a balancing program to help you concentrate your mind like that. 5, 6, 7, then 8 again. 1, 2, 3. The counting move this morning now 1 to 8. So in how many times round will we go? Now so we will go like that. 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8 like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow your count like that. You know to give up. Then don't let anything make you lost out of your concentration or your focus. You just need to continue like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then see the pattern where they change to like that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See where they hold. My viewers wait there where they follow us up. See where I place my hand for my knee. My right knee will flex. 8. Then you change. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. 1, 2. Follow your count like that. Try to put your mind on top what you did too. Don't let anything distract you. Just focus your attention on top your balance, and this one will help you build your mind to concentrate very, very high. 6, 7, then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Now we don't start the movement with that. 1, where you count like that. 2, now your right foot you they take count. 4, like that. 5, 6. Yes, so my people for Obodo Nigeria and Obodo the world, I just thank you this morning for this special time when I don't spend with us. So meanwhile, I just want to let you know say this special time when I they get with us now on top channel 195 Wazobia TV. Until tomorrow, make it don't forget say na Papa Jojo. Now he they take on the fitness level. Like that. 2, where you count. 3, 4, 5.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.